Hi, my name is Andy DeBellis. I'm the instructional designer at Northland Pioneer College. This is our connected classroom space at NPC. Let's go on a tour. Our journey begins at the instructor desk, equipped with essential tools for seamless interaction. Here you'll find a desktop monitor, keyboard, mouse, navigator control console, phone, and instructions for connecting and disconnecting from WebEx classes. The navigator control console is your primary tool in this environment, facilitating various functions we'll explore later. Moving on from the instructor desk, we encounter the smartboard, also known as Monitor 1. The 65 or 75-inch in-focus or smart touchscreen display serves as the focal point for shared content across all connected locations. With its touch capabilities, presenters can interactively engage with and highlight all content using their fingers or one of the stylus pens conveniently attached to the monitor. Continuing our journey, Monitor 2 and 3 offer live camera views of both your classroom and other connected locations, allowing you to see not just your instructor, but also your classmates from afar. These camera feeds are sourced from cameras positioned above and beside Monitors 2 and 3. These cameras feature sophisticated internal mechanisms that track speakers in the classroom based on sound and motion cues. If ever encountering camera misalignment, please refrain from physical adjustments and instead contact the support center for assistance. The mini computer powering the instructor desk monitors is typically mounted behind Monitor 1. Should you need to power on the instructor desktop computer, you'll find the button conveniently located here. Additionally, most classrooms house an external DVD player. Finally, each connected classroom is outfitted with ceiling microphones resembling low-hanging tiles. These mics capture both the instructor's lectures and student discussions, ensuring a comprehensive learning experience. Thank you so much for joining us on this tour of the connected classroom space. We're excited about the opportunities it offers for interactivity in the classroom.